What's good, team? Run it up. What's poppin'? Hey, yo, Bell Pepper. I just took Bell Pepper's batch. I just took her batch. It was a 60 what? What was it? 62? I just took her batch. 62.
Part of me I'm trying to live it. Part of me is tired of living. I'm just saying how I feel. Y'all be out from feelings. Big money, little money. Whatever make your day sunny. I'ma get it how I want it. Turning 50s into hundreds.
Triple, there's nothing. It's the day after Thanksgiving and nobody's ordering right now, but I got the one banger. Sorry, boo-boo. Get another banger. There's gonna be another one dropping. I hope so. Let's get it, let's get it, yeah. Hey, yo, fam, so I forgot what I said that order was when I swiped it, but we ended up making $65 for that batch. And not only that, it's $9.40, so we made Costco drop. Costco drop was a bust. No good batches, but I just swiped a $17 delivery only, right up the street, you know, like 5-minute drive, so that's easy.
Say it how you feeling right now. Say it how you say it. Show me how I look in your heart. Better look amazing. Better look amazing.
All right, fam, so it's getting crazy. I just swiped a $78 batch at a Giants that I've never been to before, so this should be interesting. I'm gonna try to go in here and crush it. Let's get it. 1 hour. It took me 59 minutes, let's get it, to finish that order. Never been to this store. And it went up to $80-something. Let's get it, man, because she added a couple more items, a lot more actually. So the batch went up to $80-something. So I finished the shopping in 59 minutes total, and the delivery is only 7 minutes away. Let's go, 80 plus in an hour. You gotta get in the zone, baby. I was in the zone in that store, just zoop, 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 zoop. That's how we run it up. 175. 175 by 12:30. If we can keep this momentum, it'll be a really, really good day. Let's get it. Yo, I can't make this up. Hey, what do I tell y'all about red lights? Look at this, I'm at a red light and we swiped a 32, 3 items, 3 miles. We running it up today. This is like what we want right here. Let's keep it up. $32, 3 items, 3 miles, and I swiped that at the red light. Yeah. All right, fam, so I just got to the store. I am gonna pre-shop this order because it's only 3 items. We have laundry detergent, dish soap, and toilet paper. She wants 3 of them. Oh, well, there's only 2, so this tip's gonna go down. Oh no, there's some down here, I think. Yep, let's go. There it is. Yep, same one. She wants only 1. Got that. Uh-oh. Did we hit our first uh-oh? Angel Soft toilet paper. So the only bad news is we had to replace the toilet paper with a smaller count and less. She wanted 3 of the bigger sizes and there was only 2 of the smaller sizes. But hey, it is 3 items and it is 3 miles away and it was a 30, so it might go down to like 20 something. All right, so I just delivered. Pretty nice house actually, it's right here. Woo, she kept the tip? Wow, $32. It was a set tip. She kept the tip. Let's go. And wow, look at that last order, 86. Let's get it. All right, so this is the hour where it starts to slow down and turn garbage. I've been waiting for about 45 minutes and got nothing. So you got to take anything. I don't know if this is everywhere, but in this area after like 12:30, 1 o'clock, it just slows down and it picks back up after like, you know, 2, 3. So, you know, I'm sitting there for 45 minutes, got nothing. I'm already at $207 for the day, sitting there for 45 minutes. But I seen a Costco 32, I just took it. 16 miles. But I'm like, yeah, I'm not sitting around. The time it's gonna take me to do this batch, shop and deliver, I'll probably be still sitting around. So it is what it is. I'm gonna do this 32 Costco, 16 miles, 15 items or something. So it's not that bad for the shop. We gotta go in here and crush it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We smashed this order, but we gotta hurry up, team, run it up. We gotta hurry up. Not trying to be out here all day. 16 miles, whatever, however many miles I said this was. 15 miles. Oh, my box, there goes my box. All right. Hey fam, so we back with some good news. Yes, good. Just delivered that order, right? That $32 order. It took an hour, so 32 an hour wasn't not that bad, right? But at the red light, we swiped a 63. Let's get it. Slight 63. Let's get it. We finished. I had to refund like 2 items, produce, I think. So it shouldn't go down that much. I think we'll still hit 60 at least for this order, hopefully. If not, it'll be like 58, 59. About to check out. Let's get it. Running it up all day. It's still bright outside. Well, not bright, but I'm showing y'all the sky to let y'all know. Y'all already know that daylight savings comes early, so it gets dark quick, right? And it's not dark yet, so that means it's not too late, right? And we sitting at 300. You know, I can call it a day, or I can do, you know, 1 or 2 more if I wanted to, but I gotta edit this video, so I might call it a day. I don't know yet. All right, so we're done. It's a wrap for the day. Had to get some eggs for myself. Yeah, but we just swiped a $17 delivery only, going right to my house. So yeah, it's a wrap. $317 for the day. Let's get it. Team, run it up. You already know what it is. If you haven't already, you know what to do. You know what to do. Dang, everybody looking at me like I'm crazy. Maybe because I am. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell on both channels. Both channels. Link in the description. Let's get it.